That's pretty epic though. Cool caterpillar ball. All right, we're dropping into the canyon. Caught that one on the trib. Now we're on the main section. Gonna fish this for a little bit and get to the car eventually. We'll see. Haven't been up this far on this area and it's gonna be fun. Oh, Chubby. He missed it though, I think, or I missed him, one of the two.
Alright.
Oh, he ate the underneath. Dang it, alright. Underneath? Yeah. That was a little one, the one that, oh, there's one. Yeah, but better than the one that missed the Chubby.
He likes that rock.
Oh, we got him. He knows his time is limited. Nice, dude. The rubber legs. It's pretty deep in his mouth. We'll just show that one to you. Nice, healthy little guy. Probably a 12er. Hey, big jumper. I just need to take a deep breath. Getting a little frustrated at tangles. It's not the point. They're smashing rubber legs. Just a good day. Anytime that's happening. Can I have my leg back? There we go. Little brown guy. Steven just got jumped by this guy. Just warming in the sun. That's a pretty good one.
Dude, I was, oh my god.
Steven's adrenaline is running just a little bit. It's a nice snake. Oh, there's one. Oh, he came up and ate that. Oh, that was like a pickup. That was almost like that was an emerger eat is what that was. That was super cool. There he is. Oh, that's a nice one. He was right in the snout. He was not coming off. That's a beautiful one there. 14, 15. Really pretty. Big fat guy. Nice red on the fins. Really cool. Oh, Steven's got a good one. Oh, that's a good fish. Yeah, take your time, dude. Nice fish, buddy. Oh, it's a bow. It's a bow master.
I'm telling you, dude, it's the bows.
Oh. That's a hoss, dude. That's a hoss.
That's cool.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, that's a hog.
Oh yeah. Here, I'm gonna put this down.
Yeah, mine's over there too. So just yeah. Oh, that's a hoss.
Oh, his face looks fucked up.
He's seen some days.
Oh, his, what do you call that?
Hook jawed or whatever.
It's like, no, his thing's missing.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Did he? I think that little one still might be in his mouth. Oh, dude, that's a good one. It's a cut bow too, I think.
You ready?
Yep, whenever. Nice, dude. That's a good fish. All right, this fishing has been absolutely bonkers. I mean, I've stopped filming just because the batteries were dying, but just insanity. So many fish on so many different things. It's just one of those days when the fish are just crushing pats, crushing rainbow warrior, getting chubby eats. They're in shallow water, they're in fast water, they're in deep water. It's ridiculous. It's just one of those days you keep putting the days in and you hope every now and then you get an epic one, and this has been one of those days. Just absolutely crazy, the fishing today. We've had clouds, the temperatures have been good. It's had hatches, different kinds, midges, mayflies, caddis. We've just had tons of different bugs coming off, and the fish have been more than willing to eat anything that moves by their face. I just heard Steven cheering, so that must be a good one. But yeah, and you gotta be thankful for days like this when they're just absolutely insane. So thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.